So it's about 5:20, right outside of Yellowstone here on the west side. And yeah, woke up to the trailer 31 degrees. So it's always not pleasant, but quick little fix. This guy right here, the sail switch. So took it out, cleaned it out, and as you can see, good as gold. So little quick fix for you. So I just want to show you what can actually cause just this right here. So just kind of dust and different things that comes from the inside gets caught on this switch. And so you'll see that's like a closed position. So when the air blows, it closes that, but somehow just some dust in there, which I'm pretty sure you can see it. So I'm gonna get it all cleaned out and it'll work just fine.